Oh, here's the deal with Liapu Drain Cleaner. It sounds great on paper. They say it's strong, doesn't smell, won't damage your pipes, and can handle clogs from hair, grease, soap, scum, pretty much anything. You can use it in sinks, toilets, showers, whatever. And yeah, all that sounds amazing, but when you dig a little deeper, things start to feel a bit off. First, there are no verified reviews on places like Amazon, so no real people saying, yeah, this worked for me. That's always a bit of a red flag. Also, they don't tell you what's actually in it. There's no ingredient list, so you really have no idea what you're pouring into your pipes or your home. And unlike brands like Drano or Liquid Plumber, which have tons of reviews and a long track record of working, Liapu doesn't have any proof that it actually does what it claims. You're basically buying it on faith. It looks like this product is coming from China, possibly from generic listings on wholesale sites like Alibaba, where it's sold super cheap, like under $1. So that $10 bottle you're looking at, you might just be overpaying for something that barely works, or worse, could damage your plumbing. So now to answer the question if it's a scam. It might do something, it might do nothing, or in the worst case, it could cause damage without knowing what's in it or hearing from people who've actually used it. It's a gamble. If you're dealing with a serious clog and want something reliable, you're probably better off sticking with trusted brands that have been around for a while, the ones that have actually been tested and reviewed by real people. Now, if someone says, well, you haven't even tried it, so how can you judge? Fair point, kind of. But here's the thing, when a product shows zero transparency, no reviews, no ingredient list, and comes from a sketchy looking source, that's more than enough reason to be cautious. Adding to that, many users warn that cheap or unknown drain cleaners can sometimes react with other chemicals in your pipes, creating harmful fumes or even causing corrosion over time. This adds another layer of risk that simply isn't worth it when safer, proven alternatives exist. Bottom line, Liapu. Drain cleaner sounds convenient, but the lack of evidence, reviews, and clear ingredients makes it a high-risk product. Stick with brands you can trust for real results and safety.